YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And here we go. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is staying safe. This coming from Torras. Ooh, baby. This is a right here. I'm gonna have to grab the other phone. And Torras. This is for the ooh, look at these. Got a kickstand with it. Oh, so you can have your phone like this, watching videos. Oops. Stuff like that. Yeah, let me grab the other phone. And then I think this is for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. So you guys have the new Ultras out. Now it's time to get some cases to protect your phone. They are quite expensive phones, so you're gonna need something like this. Or for the Galaxy S22, which I have, I'm gonna have to do like a split video, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. Simple but unique, Torras. And there we go. Here we go, rock and roll. Don't you know? Ooh, baby. Nice clear. And they got a kickstand right here. Definitely like these kickstands. So you can watch movies or whatnot. Or live stream, Zoom calls, Twitch, you know, vlogs. Really nice. Pretty solid. Got a pretty thick carriage for your phones. Be safe. Alright, let me grab the phones. Oh, lordy. Look at that. Got a bamboozle. I'm liking this. Got the ports all protected good. And like I said, you either have it like that, or like this, or just like that. But I don't think... Oh, you could, like, grip it. You know? You could do it like that, either or, which is fine. Really nice. Bada boom. Let me unlock it. Yeah, see everything. Volume's all the way up. So this has a nice feel. Nice, smooth. See, I had this one for my phone right now. So I'm going to switch phones and everything. And you're going to see the difference with the cases. So hold on one sec. Alright, here we go. So there's a little case right here, looking good, simple but unique. So definitely check them out. Like I said, this one works great for the oh, which one was it? Galaxy S23 Ultra, and this is for the S22. So take your pick, click the links down below, see what other cases they have for. I do believe they have for iPhones and pretty much all the cell phones. So if you're looking for a good deal, here's a place to go. Really nice design, either or. Check them out, Torras. And you all be safe. Have a good night. Take it easy.